recording now? Okay, I'm recording now. Cool. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube. Today we got quite a fun little adventure we're going on. I'm headed up to Mills River right now, and we are gonna wade through the river and see what we can catch off of. I got a few 1/8 ounce and 1/16 ounce, and I got a couple 1/4 ounce spinner baits that we're gonna try out here and see what we can catch. But hopefully today goes a lot better than the last few days have, because the catch ratio has not been there. But I will catch you guys when we get down to Mills River, so you guys can see this beautiful spot, and we'll get to hiking. All right, guys, so we just pulled up here. I've got to get my waders and everything off, or on, I mean. All right, guys, we made it here. So all we got to do is put our waders on, get my filming stuff ready, grab my fishing bag, we're gonna throw our waders on here, and then we're gonna start walking and see what we can get on our first little stretch here, guys. Hopefully we can find a good little spot where they're biting within the first couple of miles. Last time I was here, I walked 7 miles to find a fishing spot. Let's not do that again. And I went 12 hours without catching a fish. What kind of content is that? Ain't nobody want to watch me not catch fish. Oh, all right. I'm gonna finish getting all this stuff together. I'm not gonna bore y'all with me talking and blah blah blah. I'm gonna put my spinnerbait on. We are carrying around our Berkley ultralight, so I'm gonna put all this stuff together, get all my filming equipment strapped up and ready to go, and then I will catch y'all whenever we start walking. So this gives you a little bit of a look at what I'm running. I've got I think it's a 5 foot. Let me check and make sure. 4.6. It's a 4.6 Berkley ultralight combo with just a 1/16 ounce pink and green spinnerbait. And we're gonna walk down here to the river and see about catching us some fish. Don't tell me I made that mistake. I did. I locked my keys in the car. Well, that's lovely. So I locked my keys in the truck, and I probably won't have service for, shoot, 8 to 10 miles back towards the main road. But for right now, I'm going fishing. We'll figure that out whenever we're done. See if I can't find something to push the button open with. But hopefully everything works out. And I left them in the dang ignition too, which I thought these newer trucks had safeties on them where you couldn't lock them in the truck. But oh well. I'll figure it out when we get back. We got a little ways to walk. I'm gonna try to save on my GoPro battery, since, you know, I like my keys in my car. I didn't get to grab my extra ones. So I've only got one battery with me today. So with that being said, I guess I'll get back with y'all whenever we get to the fishing spot. So the river is a little higher than it usually is. So there's usually, let me get around the corner here and I'll show you. There's usually a little sandbar right here that you can stand on. Well, it's there, but not like it usually is. So it's a little bit more underwater than normal. But as you can see, there's a little sandbar right here, and I usually like to cast right in here. Come on, I locked my keys in the car this morning. We gotta catch a fish now to make up for that. All right, it doesn't seem like anything's moving in this spot today. So maybe we walk down a little bit further and see if we can get one more cast. All right. This on camera, but look how clear. This water is crystal clear. See if I can't cast right here. You know, just because you don't see a trout don't mean they're not there. I can't tell you how many times I've casted in spots like this and caught huge rainbows. They're sneaky little guys. I got another spot in mind. I just figured I'd try it there because it looked pretty good, but we ain't gonna catch a fish every cast. I know that. All right. Well, we got a tree down. That wasn't here last week. So usually there's a few fish running right through here, but those rapids are pretty tough, so I'm gonna go ahead and go on past this spot, and then whenever we come back through, I'll cast a few times in here. All right. So far, no luck, but we're just gonna keep on casting along here. Hopefully we hit something eventually. That was just a practice. I haven't seen a single fish this morning, guys. That's not a good sign. Alright. Let's walk on down some more. I forgot to cut the dang camera back on. Don't you dare break off, dude. Look at this gorgeous guy here. Gorgeous fish. Yes, sir. Look at him. I don't really know what kind of trout that is, to be honest, guys. Let me know in the comments what kind of trout that is. I just barely missed the hook up on him. We're gonna put this guy out, and he's coming home with me. Let's see what we got here. We got one for the day. Is there anything kind of like hook on here? Here we go. We'll just do this here. See if we can't catch anything else right here. Usually where there's one, there's more, right? Let's hope, at least. Yeah, buddy. who taught me how to cast. One more cast right here. Considering I like my keys in my car, I might be eating this mug at the truck. I probably need to go that way instead of walking through this deep mush. So there's a nice little spot up here. We're gonna try to cast in for a little while. Oh, this is my favorite spot right here. I know where I'm at now. If I walk up that way, it takes me further downriver to where there's no fish. It gets kind of shallow the further you go this way. This water's so clear, if a fish was to hit right now, you'd see every little bit of the action, which is awesome. Unless, of course, it hits all the way out there. Dang it. Just ruined this fishing spot. Maybe not. Yep. Yep. Ain't about to bolt at me like a bullet. Maybe I didn't mess it up too bad. How does that look? My hook's a little stuck, but it's alright. It'll work still. Are you kidding me? I thought that was such a pretty cast too. Yep, that one's stuck for sure this time. Oh, maybe not. Oh great, it's raining. It was not supposed to rain today, guys. Hopefully it don't get too crazy. I don't really want to walk back in this, to be honest with you. How are these little deep pockets like this not have any fish in them, man? He done told all of his friends. I don't know how, but he did. Dang it. I keep getting snagged on stuff. I'm gonna turn back around and go the other way and cast as I go. Well, sorry if my video's a little bouncy. I gotta find the next spot I can slow down and stop at for a second. As you can tell, my GoPro strap came undone. Again, dude, I messed up. I forgot to friggin' cut my recorder on, but I got another one. We got another one. And it looks like we might have to have our pliers for this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to have my pliers for this guy. I don't like taking ones this small home, but he swallowed it and it's in his guts. So, dude, nah, you're gonna die. It got right in your gill. Let's set him up here. All right, buddy. I'm sorry to do this, but all right, that was a good catch. We're gonna cast here a couple more times, see if there's not anything else around about this area. Dang it, just ruined this fishing spot. Dang it. I just had another bite and now it's gone. It might have been a rock, so, and again, that is real shallow. Dad came to the rescue. I always let him keep my spare keys for this reason. That man's like a GPS, I swear. I tell him where I'm at, and he's like, all right, I'll be right there. Knows every road known to man around here. Now if we could just get one more fish to take home, I'd be a happy person. This time I got my keys hooked to my side, and the truck is locked. From now on, I will not lock my truck with my buttons, only with the key fob. That was horrible. Pro fisher out here. Yep, that's me. Don't even know how to cast. All right, we're gonna walk on down a little bit further. I keep getting snagged. And now I'm scared to pull on it too hard because then I'll lose another lure, and I'm not really game on that. All right. Drizzling a little bit out here. These clouds are kind of rolling in. I'm kind of hoping they stay out for a little while. Maybe I can get on something else here. Oh yeah, that puppy's sleek. We're gonna step right here beside it. Okay. I'm down to about the 20% warning here. We're gonna fish until it hits 10%, and then I'll probably go ahead and call that a day for today. That's a little better. Ah, come on, man. Take me under. I think there'll be a few fish right in here somewhere. Got one. Yeah, baby. Got one. Oh, no. He came off. Dude. Ah. Dang it, man. That was awesome too. I watched him hit it and everything. That would have been an awesome catch. There we go. There we go. He's hooked now. He's hooked now. Let's get him up to the bank. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. You coming home with me. You gonna chill out? You gonna chill out so I can get your hook out there? Or are you just gonna keep making it worse, my friend? Oh yeah, you wasn't coming unhooked. I gotta get the pliers out for this one. All right, let's go ahead and show this guy off to the camera. I think this is the biggest one of the day, but we'll take him. All right, let's get him out. Put him out. There's 3 for the bag, boys. 3 for the bag, boys and girls. All right. All right, I'm just walking down here. We're getting ready to head on out of here, and I'm gonna try to get down. Well, I ain't getting down right there. I can tell you that much. But I'm gonna try to get down and clean these guys off a little bit, get some of the blood out of them, and then we're gonna head on closer to the house, and then we'll cook these guys up tonight. All right, so here I am back at home. You can see that I've got my fish here on a cutting board. They're a little frozen right now. I didn't get the chance to cook them yesterday, so we're gonna cook those today, so that way I can finish that video and get that thing posted and uploaded. But I'll be back with y'all whenever I get these filleted and ready to cook. All right, so let me close these cabinets real quick. All right, so here's our fillets. My attempt to fillet. Yeah, it wasn't so great, but you know, I try. And we're gonna use some Louisiana fish fry Cajun seasoning and your, you know, typical garlic powder and onion powder. So we're gonna season these guys up, get them in some tin foil, and pop them in the oven. So I don't know if y'all could really tell, but I've seasoned it, and I'm gonna wrap it in this tin foil, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. I'm gonna rinse and repeat for these last 3. You know, through this whole process, I could have preheated the oven, but I didn't. So now I gotta wait till the oven's preheated. All right, we got them all tin foiled up here, and I'm going to go ahead and just pop these right in here. All right, those should be done in like 10 minutes or so. By no means have I ever said anything about being a cook. So if there's anything you guys would have done different, or any way you would have cooked them different, please let me know and I'll try it in my next video. All right, they should be done now. I just got them out of the oven. Let's open up one of these here and see what they look like. Oh yeah, those are done. Oh yeah, those are done. All right guys, so we got our paper plate full of fish here, and we are about to try this. Let's get these bones out first that I can see. Got them. All right, now let's say a quick prayer. Amen. All right, let's give this a try. Okay, so that one's the rainbow. And then this one right here is the one that, yeah, this one right here is the one I have no idea what kind of trout it is. So we're gonna try it out and see how it tastes. Let's see here. These bones will get stuck to my finger. That one's about as good as rainbow. Just about as good. All right, I'm gonna finish this meal and then I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, that tasted good. I think I went a little heavy on the Cajun seasoning, but I'm sitting here at my computer now and I'm about to finish putting and uploading all these videos and whatnot. I know I've got to come up with an intro and an outro, and I've been kind of slacking on it, but I'm kind of learning my ways around the computer still. So bear with me. We'll get us an intro and an outro made. And here soon I plan on getting a drone, so we'll have some pretty cool stuff. But thank you as always for watching. Stay tuned. Hopefully next week we'll be able to get another video. Peace.